For my creative project, I decided to do a watercolor painting to show some events that took place in the story The Awakening by Kate Chopin. I decided to do a picture of a sunrise on the beach to symbolize some of the details that took place in the story. I also chose to do the beach because that was where it was in the ocean that Edna learned how to swim. The first detail of this painting would be the sand at the bottom. I used two different dull shades of brown to symbolize the calmness at the beginning of the story before Edna meets Robert and before her life changes. I also chose to use the two dull shades of brown to symbolize her, quote, boring life and her unhappiness with her own husband and family, her desire for more. The next part would be the ocean with the waves. To do this, I used a shade of blue, a deep shade of blue, and mixed water in with it to create the looks of the waves. The waves symbolize the start of a disaster in Edna's life. They're to symbolize when she begins seeing Robert LeBrun. I also added in, if you can see, a small sailboat in the corner to symbolize Edna. She's just like this sailboat right here. She's just being tossed to and fro by her desires and wishes. She doesn't realize how badly that they are going to impact her life. I also chose to do a sunrise on the beach because it is symbolizing being awakened. You know, when the sun rises is when people awake. So this symbolizes the moment she learns to swim in the ocean, that she is awakened, that she realizes that she can do it. Because she tried many times before and realized, and it wasn't until now that she realized that she could do it. The dark clouds, the one in the right and the left, symbolize the storm that's coming in her life when Robert decides to stop seeing her and she goes into a state of depression. The mix of red in the sky I used to symbolize the disaster that takes place at the end of the story when Edna decides to take her own life after her broken heart. Well, thanks for watching.